haven't always agreed on how much latitude enhanced individuals deserve. But what you've accomplished has given me reason to reconsider. Which is why I want you, Captain America, to help me rebuild the Avengers.
The Avengers?
Yes, sir.
Oh, with all due respect, sir, when you passed the Sokovia Accords, you tore the Avengers apart. Why the change of heart?
I represent all Americans now. Hell, half of them wouldn't even be here without the Avengers. The country needs this.
And when we disagree on how to manage a situation, what happens then?
Figure it out together. I present to you Captain America.
Can we start? Let's do it.
On February 14th.
How did he just do that?
You must be new!
Captain America arrives in IMAX.
All my descendants, they know me my secret, say I am too real.
That didn't work. Watch this.
We need a symbol that can unite us.
Wait for it.
Save some for us, Cap.
Let's go. Oh!
Sensitive, taking it personal, done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right.
Captain America caught in a trap.
All my descendants, they know me my secret, say I am too real.
You want me? Come and get me!
Captain America, Brave New World. Get tickets now.